Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get prismatic rewards in Grow a Garden. All right, let's begin. To get prismatic rewards, you'll need to participate in the Summer Harvest event. This event opens every hour and lasts for 10 minutes. During that time, you need to deposit summer plants or fruits to earn harvest points. The more points you collect, the better your rewards, Prismatic being the highest tier. To unlock the prismatic rewards, you need to reach 14,000 harvest points. While it's technically possible to achieve this alone, it's much easier if you team up with friends. Working together allows you to hit the point requirement faster and more efficiently. Once you reach 14,000 points, you'll gain access to the Ember Lily, which is part of the prismatic reward tier. The Ember Lily has about a 1% drop chance, making it one of the rarest rewards in the event. Even though the drop rate is low, hitting the required point level is the key step to unlocking the prismatic tier and accessing these rare items. So that's basically how you can get prismatic rewards in Grow a Garden. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.